They frozen, son. I'm shaking. I'm about to become an issue. You better get me out of this tree stand. I'm about out of arrows. What's going on, guys? Here with Tater TV with Walker Ross. It is January 5th. Exceptionally hot for this time of year. I think it's like 56 degrees. Only reason we're wearing anything kind of warm is because the wind is howling. It's like 1 o'clock. We got in here about 12:30. Just got set up. Bumped a few deer coming in here, but we're on doe patrol. But if the right deer comes along, it's probably gonna get poked. So y'all hang in with us, and maybe we won't get blowed out of the tree. Is it a buck? Looks like a doe. See it. Probably its mama. Good deal. Ooh, son, you put her down. She's down, son. Gosh, dude, you smashed her. You smashed her, man. That's right. We gonna sit here and try to poke another one. Give me some, baby. Good shot. Oh, it just turned off. Son, you smoked her. I did. I mean, you smoked her. That's right. We about to get another one. God. It's early. Golly, son. It ain't but 4 o'clock. We've been sitting here since 1. The wind's been howling. 5 does come across the hill. We just let her eat, boy. Old triac, son. She couldn't hold it. Didn't go 20. I mean, dude, you put it right in her heart. Smoked her. I'm nervous, boy. Something about them does get me tore up. That's awesome. Oh yeah, I can't quit shaking.
I know I was recording for 25 minutes.
I was sitting there trying to record with the GoPro on the end of the on the bow, and I was just sitting there. It's just because we had to sit there. I was wanting to draw back for literally 15 minutes.
Wow. Perfect. Broadside it. What, 10 yards?
God, that's 15 right there. I think I blew right through her.
You may have done it.
I smoked her though. What's going on, guys? Jacob checking in back with you. Last time I spoke with you, probably right after we killed this deer, we got a big old slickhead on the ground. Killed her about 30 minutes ago. We're trying to fill the freezer and get a double here, so wind's still blowing pretty hard, as you can tell from the mic. It's going to pick up a bunch of wind, so we're having to talk a little louder than normal, but we're going to sit tight. Probably got about another hour and a half of good light, and we're going to see if we can't pinch another one, so y'all stick with us.
Go for it. Oh! I mean, just barely. Right. Hold it down.
Dude, you ended her career. Home 2 for today.
Golly.
Got about a 5-hour sit, and I believe we're gonna crawl down, because when we started this morning at 1 o'clock, it was 55, 60 degrees, and the wind has blown 15 to 20 miles per hour all afternoon, and it's kind of chilly. So, but we got a double. Tater Ridge TV, baby.
Give me some, son.
That's right.
Let's go.
Thank you, Lord.
Right as the sun's setting. Oh, I didn't think we was ever gonna get her killed.
Golly.
Got the sunset, boys.
Look how cold my hands are. They froze, man. I'm shaking. I'm about to become an issue. You better get me out of this tree stand. I'm about out of arrows.
Dude, I didn't think we was ever gonna get her killed.
Never. She's walked around. Arrows right down there. Blew right through her.
gosh, it was so quiet she could hear the arrow pulling back on.
If we had been blowing all afternoon, and then that wants to be quiet right when we're trying to shoot a deer.
Big shot, man. You smoked her.
Yeah.
You hear it pop.
Yeah. We got blood trails running this way, that way. They're going all over the place.
How we gonna follow a blood trail? There's too many of them.
We can see them. We got our work cut out for us. We're gonna go get the truck.
Oh man. I don't know how many times I hit play, stop, record.
I know it.
My GoPro has 5% battery left.
I got an arm workout. I was gun draw, gun draw, gun draw. Never did.
Oh.
Kendall, if you watch this, I love you, honey. And thanks for letting me do what I love. Whew.
Praise the Lord.
GoPro's still running.
Yeah.
I don't think I want to drag any more than that. I believe we would quit on
I
that.
think so too.
Let's get down. Cold boy.
North Georgia killing has went down.
That's right.
A pole axing.
A low throw down.
There's some reapers on the ridge this morning, or this evening.
Put the slickheads to bed. Come on.
The slickheads the bed. Swamp donkeys.
Awesome, awesome. Good blood, very good blood. Gonna put this in the quiver. Look at all that blood going out through there. Jeez. Got some meat on this one. There she is.
There's something laying over there.
There's something big laying over there. Big old slick head. Our other one's just right over the hill.
Little trophy tubs.
Good, son.
Look at big mama.
Big old slick head. Hit her right there on the front shoulder. Good. We got in the stand this afternoon about 1 o'clock after we went and got us some dairy spot. Jumped in. Wind was howling. It's kind of calmed down right now. We really would have been still hunting, but we got 2 deer we got to get something to do with. We had some good camera lights, so made a good recovery. Both deer are dead. And Tater Ridge TV. Number 2. Straight pinwheeled her. Another good old slick head. Thank you, Lord. Glad He lets us do what we do and provides us with these beautiful little animals. But got a twofer today.
Oh, son, on a windy day. A windy evening.
I gotta move.
Oh yeah. Son, you could hear a pin drop here for just a minute.
Mighty, that was tough.
I know
thought-
your arms had to have been getting
Yes,
tired.
sir. Jeez, I was like, I'm done with this. And it has never made that noise.
Reckon what that was?
It was the rest.
God.
The arrow sliding on the rest made a humming
I
noise.
mean, just a creek.
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking, we've got 2 deer down within sight. Look at that sunset too, man, that's awesome.